I also buried fish by a couple plants. Let's see what those look like. The two peppers that I put the fish right beside have grown a little bit, but that's probably just because it's been great weather for them. I don't want to disturb the soil too much, but we're gonna figure it out and check it out. We put one piece of fish here about a week ago, and there's the fish right there. It's breaking down very quickly. It's already crumbly. It's basically smushed. Doesn't smell like anything. We got a worm there. There's a little worm. Oh. So he's going to enjoy that. But just goes to show how fast things really compost on their own. I expect that plant to be quite prolific soon. 2-week update on the using fish as fertilizer video. This is one of the peppers and this is the other. They have grown, this one especially. We're gonna dig down and find that fish. There it is. That's what's left of it, at least, just this little chunk. No more down there. Well, we'll put it back. It'll keep composting down there. And that plant's roots are already there. At this point, I don't think the onions have reached the fish with their roots yet, and they haven't really changed. The fish is totally composted over here in 2 weeks. I can't even find any of it. Artichokes are about the same. This side was the side that I put the fish on. There it is. Not much left of that piece. We'll bury it back. Plant roots are already reached that spot too. And last, check out the production of these tomatoes where I had put fish right beside these opposed to the other ones. And strangely enough, the smaller row of tomatoes where I had put them right along here has a ton of production tomatoes versus the row that I didn't put the fish on. A lot of leafy green and some tomatoes, which is just fine. Need to prune these, but the ones that had fish fertilizer tended to be a lot more productive on this side, which is kind of cool. I have another couple of experiments in the mix, so stay tuned for more follow-ups on these and for some new starts.